Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 coming to you this Friday, the 13th. And we are looking at the market profile of the SPY ETF on Window Trader. And after breaking out of a very small 4-day balance, which we did the whole range in A period, we're now looking to go even higher once again after putting in our all-time high yesterday. Last night we made a new high, and this morning we even surpassed that. So right now the all-time high is 318.79 in the SPY. So besides yesterday's high, we at least have another destination that price can seek. You know, we said this was going to happen by Friday, by Friday's close, today's close. Well, it happened even earlier, where we're either going to go through the top of the weekly balance or roll over. Well, yesterday we blew through it. They attempted to get back into it, got rejected quickly, and we're still up here. So right now, all three time frames are up, all are healthy. Volume was good yesterday. We ended up doing 96 million. I said we'd do between 90 and 100 in the after hours. We ended up with 96, which is very good. The question is this going to continue to bring in people who have lagged performance? You know, all the three big events of this week are done, right? The Fed left things unchanged. Brexit was a success. It's going to be a success, and it looks like the trade deal is all hunky-dory once again. So over the next 2 weeks, are we going to just continue to drift up to all-time highs, or are we going to consolidate? It depends on if we're going to get some bigger plays into this market. Remember, we have not had a trend day hold since late October. So even though we've gone straight up, it's pretty incredible we have not had a trend day that has held. Very interesting. And remember, one other thing. You're not going to know when the all-time highs come in. It's not going to be fireworks and everything else. So to try to keep picking all-time highs eventually will kill you. Okay, let's go over destinations and a game plan. So for this morning, we have two destinations. We have yesterday's high right now, 317.99. And then the pre-market high of 318.79 as of now. For the downside, until we get more market-generated information, we don't have anything until the afternoon pullback low of 315.33, then yesterday's low of 314.17, and 9 wide at 313.84, daily low poor low of 313.60. So what's important for both sides? Well, obviously for the bulls, after this very nice performance yesterday, you want to hold it, right? You don't want to get sucked back into last month's high of 315.48. Yes, you'd still be one time framing up. Yes, you still have the gap, but you don't want to give all back that you made yesterday. And for the bears, obviously, they don't want this going any higher, and they want to try to get this back down into last month's range. Right now, we're looking to open top of balance above value. Is there a play here? Well, a couple of things you can do. If you were to open, take out the opening, quickly get rejected and come back in, just like I said the other day, if you get accepted back into M period, well, then maybe you'll get some kind of a test to the downside and down to M. You could take a put play. You know you're out. You come back up, you take out the high again, I'm out of the trade. On the flip side, if you were to open, drive down initially, hold yesterday's close, or get to M's low and get back above yesterday's close, well, then you can take a call at least to see if you're going to go and take out the all-time high. And if you do take it out, then odds are you're going to go get the pre-market all-time high. Now, there's still an hour to go prior to the opening, so, I mean, a lot can happen now. We could be gapping higher. We could be right back in the meat of it. If in the next hour we're gapping pretty high, I'm going to watch it again, depending on how high you gap. You can take a call play versus the gap if you have one, and I'm out if it fills. I don't think I would take a put play, not until we see where this thing wants to go. This emotional trading just continues. On the flip side, in the next hour, if we to open up in the meat of the profile, I'm going to watch. You'd be opening then in balance, in value. Chart-wise, we'll just look at the weekly and daily right now. We'll do all three of them tonight. 4-week balance exploded out of it to the upside, so the goal is to stay above 315.48, both on the weekly and the monthly, obviously. Daily, balanced, exploded to the upside, same thing. Still think we have some poor structure below us, but right now, you have to trade what the market's telling you, and right now, all 3 time frames are up. Now, even though we're opening close to the top of yesterday, after a move such as yesterday, it's a good chance you could get some consolidation in here. So it'd be interesting to see where we open, and if we do take out yesterday's high, what kind of legs it gets, or does it run out of some steam and then we consolidate inside yesterday's range. Remains to be seen. Have a great day trading. Good luck. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.